Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Taigo Style 1.0 TSI 110H in sleek black. This Estatejeep boasts a 1-liter petrol engine with manual transmission. Packed with comfort and accessories like air conditioning, Bluetooth, and cruise control, this vehicle also offers top-notch security and safety features, including ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking. With a host of additional features like luxury trim, LED lights, and roof rails, this Taigo is as stylish as it is safe. Fully serviced and with a comprehensive warranty, this vehicle is ready to hit the road. For more information, call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie today.